Alright, this pumpkin bar batter looks excellent. I put some sliced almonds in there. Gonna pour it into the baking dish and get it in the oven. Alrighty, let's get this in the oven. Okay, so I put this into a cake pan instead of making it thinner into bars, so it's gonna be a pumpkin cake. But here it is out of the oven. So it came out super moist. You can see the layers here, and the cream cheese frosting is quite flavorful as always. And I do think this will be a keeper, I have to say. And I'll put the recipe in the description box below. Okay, I really like how this recipe turned out. The flavor is great. Cream cheese on point, obviously. Textures well. Fantastic level of moisture. I really like it. And by the way, the almonds are just perfect on the inside. MashaAllah, tabarakallah.